weight. How can you weight heavy things like jackfruit? We know when we buy something from the market or shops, we have to take its weight. How can we weight heavy things like rice, oil, or other things? The fruits is very big, so how can we weight it? We learn how to weight in grade 2, but here we see that some device here for weight. This is physically weight device. This one is modern and another is ancient weight device, taking device. All of these are used to take weight in kilogram. This is the digital weight machine, and there is also a digital but pre-digital machine, and this is ancient. When we weight heavy things, use like this types of device to use it. 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. We already know it. So we have to know about the unit of the weight. We know the unit of the weight is kilogram, gram. There is a relations between the kilogram and gram. So we know 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 gram. So there are many kinds of weights to weight things. Standard weights 5 gram, weights 10 gram, 20 gram, 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram, and 1 kilogram. It may be 2 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 10 kilogram standard weight. If we weight the things which has 755 gram weight by using the standard weights, which standard weight should be used? You see that there is 755 gram is greater than the 500 gram and less than the 1 kilogram. So here we have to use the 500 gram standard. So at first we use the 500 gram standard. The remaining weight is 755 minus 500, 255 gram standard weight use. When you use 500 gram standard weight use, they remain 255 gram. We see that 255 gram is more than that of 200 gram, less than that of 300 gram. So here we use 200 gram standard weight. So total weight is equal to 200 gram and 500 gram is equal to 700 gram. So you use 700 gram, totally use 700 gram. At that time we use 200 grams, so remaining 55 gram. 55 gram is more than that of 50 grams and less than that of 100 grams. So at that time we have to use 500 gram standard weight. When we use 500 gram standard weight, it remain 5 gram weights in my hand. So there in previous there 700 gram standard and plus 550 gram standard, so total 750 gram standard. And at last we use 5 gram standard weight, so remaining weight is 0, so we have to add 5 gram with 750, so it will be 755 gram. So total standard use 1 500, 1 200, 1 50 gram, 1 5 gram, that equal be 755 gram. In this way we can choose the standard to use standard weight to use to take weight something. Therefore, to weight 755 gram materials, use 500 grams, 200 grams, 50 grams, 500 gram weight. We check from heaviest standard weight one by one. Let us think how to weigh 2 kilogram 375 gram by standard weight. There are two possible way. We use 1 kilogram weight, standard weight 2 is equal to 2 kilogram, that means 2000 gram, and use 200 gram one standard, 100 gram one standard, 50 gram one standard, 20 gram one standard, and 5 gram one standard. They all are equal to 3 kilogram, 2 kilogram 375 gram. Another way, 1 kilogram equal to and we use 100 grams 3 is equal to 2 kilo is equal to 300 gram. 150 gram standard is equal to 50, and 120 gram is equal to 20, and 15 gram is equal to 5. In this way we find that it 2 kilogram 375 gram. We choose the standard weight in this way and alternatives in this way. There are many other combinations also, you can choose it. Let us convert 3 kilogram 265 gram into gram. So obviously we know the relationship between the kilogram and gram. We know 1 kilogram is equal to the 100 gram. So there is 3 kilogram 265 gram. So at first we have to convert 3 kilogram into the gram. So we know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 3 kilogram is equal to 3000 gram. We have to multiply 3 with the 1000. Then it is converted with the gram, 3000 gram. Then we have to add 265 gram with it. So 265 gram, then total 3265 gram. So 3 kilos 265 gram is equal to 3265 grams. In this way we can convert from kilogram to gram. So there are many conversion. We have to convert it from kilogram to gram, gram to kilogram, and etc. We try it. The number one, convert 7 kilogram into gram. So 7 kilogram we write kg in a short form, kg. 7 kg kilogram is equal to 7 into 1000 gram. We know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So it will be gram. So it equal to 7,000 gram. 7,000 gram. In the number 2, convert 4 kilogram and 8 gram into gram. There are two units. One is kilogram, another is gram. At first, we have to convert 4 kilogram into gram. Then we have to add 8 gram with it. So we write 4 kg 8 gram. So we write 4 kg convert gram by multiplications with 1000 gram. This is also gram. Then we have to add 8 gram. So it will be 4000 gram plus 8 gram. So it will be 4080 gram. Number 3, 5 kilogram 389 gram. We have to convert into gram. So we write 5 gram 5 kilogram kg and 389 gram is equal to 5 into 1000 gram plus 389 gram is equal to 5000 gram plus 389 gram. So it's equal to 5389 gram. Number 4, convert 9 kilogram and 909 gram into gram. So we write 9 kg and 909 gram is equal to 9 into 1000 gram plus you can write only G for gram, not M. It is not necessary to write M, only gram, and 909 G gram. So it will be 9000 gram and 909 gram. So it equal to 9909 gram. In this way, we can convert from kilogram to gram. Number 5, which is different from previous one. convert 9,000 gram into kilogram. In the first four, we convert kilogram to gram. At that moment, we convert gram to kilogram. So here is something difference. We know 1 kg equal to 1,000 gram. Here we convert from small units to large units. At that moment, we have to divide it by the 1,000 gram to convert kilogram. At first, we convert kilogram to gram by multiplying 1,000 gram. When we convert gram into kilogram, a small unit to large unit, we have to divide it by the 1,000 gram. So we write, at first we write 9,000 gram is equal to, we write 9,000 divided by 1,000. It obviously you have to write kg because it is converted into kg because we divided by 1,000 gram. So when we divided by 1,000, 0, 0, 0, 0 vanish. So we get 9. So 9 kg. So 9,000 gram is equal to 9 kg. Number 6, 2,000 gram we can write 2,000 divided by 1,000 kg. By the division we get 0, 0 vanish, we get 2 kg. So 2,000 gram is equal to 2 kg, 2 kilogram. Number 7, there is 10,000 gram. 10,000 gram is equal to 10,000 divided by 1,000 kg. You see that 0, 0 vanish, 0, 0 vanish, 0, 0 vanish. We remain 10. So 10,000 gram equal to 10 kg. Number 8. When Rahima Begum weighed some quantity of rice, she used 2 weights of 1 kilogram. 2 weights of 1 kilogram. 1 weights of 500 grams and 2 weights of 100 grams. What was the weight of that quantity of rice? So you solve it. Rahima Begum weighted. Rahima Begum used 2 weight of 1 kilogram. So 1 kg weight into 2. So it will be 2 kg. You can convert into gram. So you can write 2,000 gram. We convert kg into gram because the rest of the weight in gram. So we convert a kg into gram. Then he used 1 weight of 500 gram. So 500 gram weight 1, so it will be 500 gram. Then he used to weight of 100 gram. 100 gram into 2, it will be 200 gram. When we add it, 0, 0, 5 and 2, it will be 7 and remain 2, 2. 2700 gram. So 2700 gram is equal to 2 kg 700 gram, because when we divided by 1000 we get 2.7. 2.7 that means 2 kg, and 0.7 that means 700 grams. And you can write it 2700 gram or 2 kg 700 gram as you just said. In the number 9, the weight of packet of sugar is 1 kilogram 200 gram. How can the bag be weighed with the least number of measuring weight? So we can choose it different way. At first we have to choose 1 kilogram, 1 kg, 1 weight, 1 kg, 1 weight. It will be 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Then 250 grams remain. So 250 grams, there is no weight 250 grams, so we have to choose at first 200 grams weight. So at first 200 gram weight, it will be 200 gram. Then remain only 50 gram. Then we choose 50 gram 1 weight, 50 gram 1 weight, it will be 50 gram. So total will be 100, 1250 gram. When we convert it into kg, so we can write 1 kg and 250 gram. So to to take the weight of a packet of sugar of 1 kilogram 250 gram, we can choose the weight in this way. Another way maybe you choose 200 100 gram to weight, but there is a condition, the weight with the least number. When you choose here 100 gram to weight, it will be uh, uh, 1, 2, 3 and 4, number 4 weight. And when you choose here 201 weight, it will be 3 number 3 weights, 1 kilogram, 1 200 gram and 1 50 grams weight. So you have to choose least number of measuring weights. So in this way you can choose the least number of measuring weights. There is another way to choose it, but it will not be a least number. Time. What is the time? We know it. We measure the time by using the clock. The clock maybe uh, maybe digital clock or ancient clock, or as normal usual as picture shown clock. Uh, we know the clock has uh, 12 large 12 uh, uh, partition. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Every partition from 1 to 2, there is 5 partition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the minutes partitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the hour partition. There is 12 hour in a clock, and every hour contain 60 minutes. The partition, the small partition, every small partition contain 5 minutes. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every 5 minutes, 1 minutes. This is one, and every parts contains 5 minutes. So there is 12 partition of hour. So 12 into 5, there is 60 minutes. 60 minutes partition and 12 hour partition in a clock. So this small spike is the second hand. Comparatively large is minute hand, and the more large is hour hand. Clock is moving the spike of the minutes or hours or second moving in this direction, right direction. So we learn in grade 2 a clock has 3 kinds of hands. One is minutes hands, one is second hands, another is hour hands. The shortest one indicates hour. This hour indicated by the number. This is the hour. This second is the longest one, indicates by the minutes. Minutes, and the longest one indicates by the second. The shortest is hour hand, second longest is minute hand, and the longest is second hand. The number from 1 to 12, 1 to 12 is indicated by the hours, and small partitions between the hour is indicated by the minutes. There is 60 minutes, or it is also indicated by the second. This is 60 second, 60 minutes, and 12 hours in the clock. So from here we see that the unit for time is second, minutes, and hour. So relationship between the units of the time, we have to remember it for conversion. We know 60 seconds equal to 1 minute, and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. We know 24 hours is equal to 1 day, 7 days is equal to 1 week, and 365 days is equal to 1 year. We have to remember it to conversions from time to hour, second to minute, minutes to hour, hour to day, day to week, or 1 year. So you have to remember it. So what is the time of this clock? You have to find it. This is the clock. In this area is shown in zoom scale. We see that this minutes hands remain here after three sign of 4 and 2 sign before of 5. There is this remain here. So there is 60 of this scale in a clock. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So this one scale indicates us by 1 minute. So we know that every hour scale contain 5 minutes, so there is 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 20 minutes. And there is 1, 2, 3. After 20 minutes, there is 3 minutes, so there is 23 minutes. And the uh, our hand to remain after near about 1, so it will be 1:23 minutes. So we can write there is 5 divisions between the number of the next number. So the minute hand indicates the 23 minutes. So the answer will be 1:23 minutes. 1, that means 1 p.m. or a.m. And 23 minutes. So in this way we find out the time of a clock. You have to write the time of the different clock. This is your homework. You can practice in your home, and you can send me to personal messenger to solve it in your homework. The first one is given for you. There is 2 o'clock. You see that this is the hour hand, this is the minute hand, and this is the second hand. You see that the hour hand to remain the indication the 2, and the minute hand indicated by the 12. So just completed, the minute hand just completed the its point, and also second hand also completed its point. Uh, you know that we count from the 12 and at end from the end at the 12th. So this is the indications point. So just indicated cross this 12 indicated point. So it is a 2 o'clock. In this way, we see that there is a hour indicated at the 6 hour and minutes indicated to 12, and also second hand indicated to 12. So you have to find what is the time in that clock. You can find it in your home practice. I will go in your question sections. If you have any questions, you can ask me one by one.
স্যার স্যার আমাদেরকে আপনি কি আমাদেরকে এক্সাম দিয়েছেন না এইচপি
HP your home practice. Tuhin,
স্যার আমাদের হোম ডাব্লিউ নেই
SW,
স্যার আমাদের
there is no SW, this is SP for your home practice. Yes, SP.
স্যার কোনটা এইচপি নেই
Today there is no SW, this is home practice SP.
স্যার কারো কাছ থেকে সাউন্ড ডাবল করে আসছে স্যার
Arifin,
স্যার সাউন্ডগুলো একো হচ্ছে
there is a very difficult
সাউন্ডগুলো একো হচ্ছে
Washkuruni and Arifin, stop your microphone.
there is problem in my microphone. It is not a stop. Why, sir?
Arifin, mute your microphone. Arifin, are you hear me? Arifin, are you hear me? Stop your microphone.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. If you have any question, ask me.
Sir, what is the HP?
Yes, sir. What is the HP?
Sir, I cannot hear.
HP, the last slide, I already shown you the different clock and different time. You have to find out what is the time of that clock. This slide is in you. This slide is your SP. There is 8 clocks of different times. You have to find out what is the time.
Yes.
Is that clocks. Every clocks you have to write in the back end position, in the back end square back end square. You have to write what is the time.
Okay, sir.
স্যার
Okay.
কনভার্ট অঙ্কগুলো কি এক লাইনে লিখবো নাকি যেভাবে আপনি সাজিয়ে দেখিয়েছেন ওভাবে লিখবো নাকি?
As it is not written in one line. You have to solution it by as I done it. You have to solve it in this way.
স্যার এই নাম্বারটা কি যেভাবে হয়ে আছে আপনার মতন লিখবো?
Yes.
বইয়ের মধ্যে 1 ওয়েটা 50 গ্রাম এগুলো দেয়া লাগবে না?
Yes, you have to write it. You have to write it
তারা হাত টাকা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি এটা
as
না প্র্যাকটিস
as I was written as like you have to write it.
হাগু হাগু ও স্যার এটা মানে
Do you understand, Shopnik Roy?
স্যার
Okay. Thank you.
ওটা থেকে Vivo Y50 এটা
Ojayer
বাবারটা
Ojayer Ibne, mute your microphone. If you have any questions or any problems to this lecture, you can ask me. Anando, why are you crying?
স্যার আমি আপনাকে ইশারা করছিলাম মানে আমার মাইক্রোফোনটা একটুখানি আনমিউট করে দিতে।
No,
Sorry, sir.
কানেকশনের সমস্যা হচ্ছিল।
this is the your question sections. You can question.
স্যার সরি যে আমার মাইকটা অন ছিল আমি এটা জানতাম না।
Okay, Jubair Ibne.
স্যার মনে হয় কাকুর
There is no questions. Okay, thank you. We will meet again.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
Walaikum.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার ইনশাআল্লাহ we will meet you